अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमने जो टॉपिक डिस्कस करना है उसका नेम है डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रोकैरियोट्स एंड यूकैरियोट्स। Prokaryotes mean pro mean before and karyotes mean nucleus. Before nucleus is prokaryotes. In prokaryotes nucleus is absent. And eukaryotes is a multicellular organisms after prokaryotes. In prokaryotes include bacteria and viruses which is single cellular organisms, and in eukaryotes contain multicellular organisms just like human beings and animals. Now we will discuss about the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. मैंने अभी आपको बताया है कि प्रोकैरियोट्स वो होंगे जिनके पास न्यूक्लियस एब्सेंट होगा और वो उनके पास मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड ऑर्गेनेल्स भी प्रेजेंट नहीं होंगी और वो सिंगल सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स होंगे। और जो यूकैरियोट्स होंगे वो है मल्टी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स और इनके पास मेम्ब्रेन बाउंडेड ऑर्गेनेल्स प्रेजेंट होंगी और इनके पास न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट होगा। अब हम इनके डिफरेंसेस के पास चलते हैं। In prokaryotes, circular DNA is present, or other hand, in eukaryotes, linear DNA is present. As we know that prokaryotes does not contain organelles because prokaryotes are simple organisms, and eukaryotes contain membrane-bounded organelles. In prokaryotes, only single chromosome is present, or in eukaryotes several chromosomes is present because nucleus is present in eukaryotes, therefore many chromosomes are present in eukaryotes. Nucleoid is present instead of nucleus and they are non-membrane bounded. In eukaryotes nucleus is present and membrane bounded. No histone in chromosomes. DNA wraps around histone. Histone protein is present in the chromosomes. The size of prokaryotes range from 0.5 micrometer to 100 micrometer, and in the size of eukaryotes range from 10 to 100 micrometer. In prokaryotes, the bacteria or viruses do asexual reproduction to increase their growth, or in eukaryotes, multicellular organisms such as human beings and animals can do sexual reproduction to increase their reproduction or their reproduction. Now we will see the diagram of prokaryotic cell. In the center of prokaryotic cell, the circular DNA is present, and cilia and flagella is present for locomotion of bacteria and viruses because prokaryotic cell is present in bacteria and viruses, and therefore bacteria and viruses utilize cilia and flagella for their locomotion. They contain nucleoid instead of nucleus. Capsule is the outermost covering of the prokaryotic cell, and they can protect the bacteria and viruses from external environment. They contain ribosomes for the formation of proteins. And as we can see in the diagram, there is no membrane bounded organelles are present and no organelles are present, and their size range from 0.5 micrometer to 100 micrometer. Now we will see the diagram of eukaryotic animal cells. अब हमने देखना है कि यूकैरियोटिक एनिमल सेल कैसे डिफरेंस है प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल से। सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कि यूकैरियोटिक सेल के सेंटर में न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट है जो कि प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल से यूकैरियोटिक सेल को डिफरेंशिएट कर रहा है, क्योंकि प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल में न्यूक्लियोइड प्रेजेंट था न्यूक्लियस की इंस्टेड। इन यूकैरियोटिक सेल सेंट्रियोल इज प्रेजेंट. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, these are organelles, membrane-bounded organelles present in the eukaryotic cell. Lysosome is present for degradation of foreign particles. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the eukaryotic organisms. Cytoplasm, Golgi bodies, and ribosome is used for the protein synthesis. We can see that the eukaryotic cell is more complex than prokaryotic cell. Now we will discuss about another topic in our next video. Thanks for watching.